As Chennai braces for Cyclone Nara, people are rushing to procure enough money to be able to brave the calamity.
On a muggy, pretty semi-cyclonic day here in the beautiful city of Chennai, it's a sight that would be usual all across the country. Long lines outside ATMs as cash is brought in. Remember, this is the first payday since the big demonetization move by the Prime Minister. Long lines like these at ATMs, much more orderly than in many other parts of the country, because Chennai and Chennaiites are well known to actually plan their lives a little better. So many of these people may have actually pulled out cash through the last 20 to 25 days before payday. So it's not really a chaotic scene, as you can see here. We've got some people here who we're actually going to speak to because they've agreed to speak to us about how things have actually panned out as far as payday chaos is concerned and preparations of demonetization are concerned. Sir, payday, the first payday since the demonetization move, were you scared about big lines, big chaos? How did you really plan for it?
So definitely I was scared about the queues and everything, because from past 20 days I was only dependent on the online transaction, but now I really need money for even the small things. So I got my salary 2 days back and I don't have any money right now. Even if yesterday I can share you my experience with, then the thing was that twice I tried to take out the money from the ATM. Twice the money got deducted from the account, but I never got the cash in hand.
You didn't get the cash, yeah.
So that's the problem that we are facing.
Okay.
So.
Ma'am, we're seeing huge amounts of lines and a lot of chaos in other parts of the country. I just landed in from Delhi, where there's a lot of chaos. Here it seems to be much more orderly. People are standing in lines. Has the planning been better in this city? What have you faced?
I think there were lines everywhere. In fact, last week when I was in Bombay, I think I could get some cash out only out of one ATM out of the 6 ATMs that are in my locality.
Yeah.
But people were very patient, and that's what I see over here as well. So I think people have understood that, okay, they have to be patient to get some money out.
There's no choice.
There is no choice.
Right. But what has your personal experience been? Has it been something you've supported? You're willing to go by it even though there's no choice?
I do not know what good will come out of it. That's something that we'll have to wait and watch. But I think the implementation could have been far better. I don't think I like it right now,
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay. So a lot of people are saying that it's a good idea with bad implementation. We've got another person who's also been standing in the queue for quite a long time, actually, who's actually willing to speak to us. What has your experience been like? Is there still a lot of uncertainty? Indians are not used to standing in such long lines at
Yes.
ATMs.
Yes.
We stand in queues, but in
Yeah.
ATMs, this is something new for us.
Yes, I mean, it looks like it's for the overall good of the country, and it's getting better. I mean, this ATM was not even working for so many days now. Now, this is working, and a lot of other ATMs that are working now. So there's money inflow that is there. Yes, there's a problem of waiting in the queue for quite a long time and all that, but it's okay. It's still fine. It's much more orderly now. People are getting used to the entire. I'm not saying it's a good experience, but it's still much more better now.
What about paying your domestic staff, maids, drivers? All of those people need to be paid. I can tell you that in Delhi, a lot of people are facing a nightmare about how much cash they can actually pull out. How have you dealt with all of that?
Okay, I think what we did is we paid a little extra to the milkman because we could only pay him 2,000 or more in one shot. So we'll adjust it the next month. That's what we did with the newspaper guy also. And the other transactions are definitely paid by our credit cards. So we shop in departmental stores, supermarkets. So they are accepting cards, and that's been a blessing that we've been using them.
Internet penetration is far more in the south than in the rest of the country. So is there a sense that Chennaiites, people in Chennai in the south, far more prepared for this kind of thing? Paytm, digital transactions, much more. There's greater penetration of that in the south.
Sure. I'll give you my experience that I paid my milkman through Paytm and he was happy with it. So he was fine with paying with that, through e-wallet transaction.
Yeah.
And after that, even my grocery guy, he didn't have any machine. He has applied for it, and because there is a long work at the banks also, so he'll get the machine after a few days. But right now he's noting down all the money. He's giving me credit. So he's telling me I have noted down 60 rupees, 40 rupees per day. So after he said whenever you have cash you can pay me.
Right.
And after a few days we will have those machines. So I can swipe whatever amount of money which is
So
there.
that is amazing. There is an adaptive spirit to cities in the country. People like this lady here just said, there is a sense that there is no choice. You'd better adapt or you will actually suffer. Here at one of many ATMs in the city of Chennai, things have calmed down. Cash is there at ATMs, like people have been telling us, and things could actually get better. It's a muggy, drizzly day here in Chennai with Cyclone Nada just off the Tamil Nadu coast at this point of time. But the chaos is far less in this city, perhaps, compared to many others. With Daniel in Chennai, this is Shiv Arur for India Today.
People are struggling to get cash in Delhi satellite towns as well. Banks in Noida are imposing their own limits on cash withdrawals, which are much lower than the government announced limit of 24,000 rupees. Here's a ground report.
People queuing up to get their hands on their salary the first day of the month. In fact, the first day of the month after the demonetization announcement had been made by the Prime Minister. For a very long time, there wasn't enough cash in the bank branch where we are in Noida, Sector 18. Finally, at around 10 in the morning, when the cash finally came, it turns out there's only a restricted amount to go around, and which is why the reason there is only 5,000 rupees that is being allowed as a withdrawal to each customer. How much do you actually want to withdraw?
50,000.
And how much are you being allowed?
10.
Right now only 10. Why is that?
They're not giving us, like for current accounts, they're not giving more than 10. And for savings, they're not giving more than 5.
आप बताइए आपको कितने पैसे की जरूरत है और क्यों? कितने पैसे की जरूरत है?
24,000
किस चीज के?
रूम रेंट पेमेंट करनी है, स्कूल बच्चों की फी पेमेंट करनी है, बाइक का इंस्टॉलमेंट पे करना है, टोटल पेमेंट करनी है, हर चीज़ की है बैलेंस।
इंस्टॉलमेंट तो आप चेक से दे सकते हैं ना?
नहीं, चेक से एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्या किया जाए।
अच्छा, मेरे को ये बताइए कि आप सब लोग जो हैं अभी 21 दिन होने को आए हैं, 1 महीना होने को आया है जब ये पूरी पॉलिसी हो गई है। शुरू में आपके क्या विचार थे इसके बारे में और अब कुछ बदला है क्या?
मैडम, जो चीज़ है सब सही है, जो हमारे पीएम साहब ने किया वो सही है, बट हमारे जो बैंक के एम्प्लॉई है या मैनेजर है सारे करप्ट हैं, सीधी सी बात है। कैश आता है 7 लाख 8 लाख, बढ़ता है 5 लाख, 2 लाख गायब हो जाता है। यहाँ तो कुछ ठीक भी है, आप 84 सेक्टर HDFC चले जाइए, वहाँ आता है 7.5 लाख, बढ़ता है 30,000, बाकी कहते हैं कैश खत्म।
Now this line is stretching right across the block. What we'd seen in the morning when we came at about 7 in the morning, there were about 15 to 20 people standing, and now right across the block. And I wonder really if word has reached them that there is only a limited amount of cash people are being given, just as much as they need. This is exactly the cash crunch, which is going to prove to be a headache for the banks at least till the 7th to the 10th of this month. With video journalist Alok Bhatnagar in Noida, Padmaja Joshi for India Today.
Daily wagers and others employed in the informal sector are the worst hit due to demonetization. We look at whether payday is turning out to be more of a problem than a cash crunch solution for them.
While the demonetization drive is giving sleepless nights to many, specifically those in the salary class who have received their salary today, it's a serpentine queue outside banks and ATMs. So we are here in a factory which produces mattresses for beds, and it's interesting because many workers on this factory floor have received their salary today. So let's go and check with them. How are they dealing with the pressure? आप बताइए, आज तनख्वाह आई है, पहली तारीख है, आप बैंक में जाके निकाल पाए कुछ पैसा?
नहीं मैडम, आज तो ड्यूटी आ गई थी सुबह, मतलब अर्ली मॉर्निंग 6 AM, तो देखेंगे या तो मैडम को भेजेंगे या मतलब खुद जाएंगे, शाम को एडजस्ट करेंगे टाइम। मतलब हालांकि ATM में भी काफ़ी लंबी लाइन है अभी, मतलब लेकिन कुछ भीड़ कम हुई है काफ़ी, मतलब हद तक। मतलब
22 दिन हो गए हैं, क्या क्या दिक्कतें आ रही हैं घर पे, क्योंकि छुट्टा पैसा जो है वो काफ़ी कम है?
दिक्कत तो है लेकिन खर्चे थोड़े कम किए हैं। मतलब जहाँ पर देश की बात आती है वहाँ पर थोड़ा मतलब झुकना पड़ता है इंसान को। अब देश के लिए तो कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा मैडम।
तो आपको लगता है कि सही फैसला लिया है सरकार?
नहीं, फैसला तो सही लिया है, मतलब पहली बार किसी प्रधानमंत्री ने ऐसा फैसला लिया, आज तक किसी ने नहीं लिया। मतलब लेकिन हाँ ये कि एक सहने की एक क्षमता होती है इंसान की भी, मतलब एक पीरियड होता है। मतलब अगर ये लंबा खिंचा तो मतलब मैडम थोड़ी दिक्कत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगी। मतलब अब फिर हम भी बहाने करने लगे भाई ये गलत है, मतलब यार कब तक दिक्कत झेलेगा आदमी।
So here is an important point. Patience of the common man is being tested. Although the Prime Minister has said there's a 50-day window on which there would be a crackdown on black money and situation will normalize, but there is a serious cash crunch. 40% shortage of cash in the Reserve Bank of India as well. आप बताइए, आप ड्यूटी पर आए हैं, घर खर्चा कैसा चल रहा है? आज तनख्वाह ही होगी, पर क्या छुट्टे पैसे निकाल पाए आप बैंकों से या ATM?
नहीं निकाल पाए, बट जो पहले थे पैसे वो उनके यूज कर रहे हैं और बाकी पैसों के लिए ऐसी कोई ज़्यादा खास दिक्कत नहीं आ रही, लेकिन बट आ रही है एंड पैसे बाद में जैसे लाइन में जाएंगे, एटीएम से निकालेंगे, टाइम मिलेगा हमको जब निकाल लेंगे। लेकिन जो हुआ वो अच्छा हुआ।
आप समझते हैं कि जो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कि कैशलेस हो जाएगा, सब अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन पे पेमेंट शुरू कर दें या जो है कंप्यूटर का इस्तेमाल करें, तो काफ़ी लोग कर पाएंगे इस्तेमाल कंप्यूटर का, समझ पाएंगे नया टेक्नोलॉजी?
जी बिल्कुल समझ पाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। जो समझने के लिए जो सारी चीज़ नॉर्मल होती हैं उनको सब समझ पाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ज़्यादा। हम भी समझ पाएंगे, ये सारे लोग समझ पाएंगे।
Out of the maximum city where people are left high and dry with banks and ATMs quickly running out of cash and the queues only getting longer.
It's been a demonetized month. Now, December 1st, people have got salaries in their accounts and that's why they are queuing up on December 1st to withdraw that money so that they can pay their monthly bills. We are currently at ICICI Bank in Parel. You can see the bank opened at 9:30 now. Though the weekly withdrawal limit is 24,000 by check, people are only getting 4,000. That's the limit. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे सर, हैव यू ट्राइड? पहले विड्रॉ करने की कोशिश की थी, अभी क्या अमाउंट पर रिस्ट्रिक्शन है, किस तरह की तकलीफ आ रही है?
कल भी हम लोग कमला मिल का जो ICICI बैंक है वहाँ पर गए थे, वहाँ पर HDFC बैंक में गए थे, लेकिन HDFC बैंक में तो कुछ भी पैसे नहीं है, कैश भी ATM से नहीं मिल रहा है और बैंक से भी नहीं मिल रहा है। तो हम लोग ICICI में भी ट्राई किए थे, तो ICICI में भी वहाँ पर काफी सारा लाइन लगाने के बाद भी कम से कम मैं खुद 2 घंटा वहाँ पर रुका था। 9:30 या 10 को वहाँ पर गया था, 12 बजे तो भी हम लोग को कैश नहीं मिला। आखिरकार वहाँ का बंदा एक आया और बोले कि कैश खत्म हो गया।
Now the scanner is on the Aam Aadmi who was doing well since last 20 days, but now the salary has arrived and it's time to pay bills and deposit groceries in the house. But given the demonetization and limitations on withdrawal placed by banks, it's very difficult for people to run their household operations. With camera person Kiran Sabkal, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Banks in Kolkata are resorting to putting up notices outside branches to inform people about the lack of cash and preventing crowds and mobs from gathering outside. Here's Indrajit Kundu's report.
It's 1st of December, it's a new month, the salaries have come, yet people are cashless. These are the kind of notices that have been stuck on many of the ATMs here in Kolkata. No cash, only for passbook print. Now, this is one of the ATMs. Right next to it is a bank branch, and look at the kind of notices that have been, stuck right outside the bank branch. Here you can see clearly written, rupees 100 notes not available. There are other instructions like these, all 100 rupee denominations exhausted, so we are unable to exchange. RBI remittance awaited. So these are the kind of notices that customers who are lining up outside the bank are being greeted with on a weekday when many people would require a cash after the salaries were remitted. They have their recurring monthly expenses, and most people here tell us that they really don't know as to how to go about things, even as queues continue to lengthen outside banks. So quite a lot of answers to be given by the RBI and the central government, even as the cash crunch continues. With camera person Chitra Bhanupathak, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
The situation in the IT city is comparatively better as locals are helping each other find change for 500 rupee notes. Also at this time, digital wallets are coming in handy.
Well, while we do see long queues, especially in ATMs, with importantly the 1st of the month and being a salary day, how difficult is you getting just a 2,000 rupee note and nothing else?
Nothing else.
And no 500 rupee notes?
No 500.
How do you manage with this kind of, especially when there's a cap?
We have to go to some diary and all, we must take change from them.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have settled with some local person to give you some change?
Change.
But have you seen the new 500 rupee note? Have you been able to handle it? Do you see it being dispensed in ATM?
If 500 is available, it is very useful for all of us.
So Bangalore being technically more competent than many other cities, digital wallets have helped a lot, isn't it? Even buying your groceries, they are taking digital money.
Very much actually digital as well, like plastic cards. It's very useful for using it because it's a Bangalore, it's a metro city, and it's very much useful in this city. And that is the other hand, which I can say it is much gives us strength.
People, be it tech-enabled people or people in South India, because largely the maximum number of ATMs and banks are seen in the south of India, and that is why there's a lot of relief, especially this part of the country. But people saying that while it's a good move, they were hoping that the rollout would have been in a much more efficient manner. Camera Shrimati Roni Swami in Bengaluru for India Today.
Now the same story repeats itself in Patna, where people are struggling to get small currency as banks are only dispensing 2,000 rupee notes. Here's Rohit Singh's report.
The centre had assured that from today onwards the new 500 rupee note would be available at most of the places, at the banks also and also at the ATM centres, but that is not the case. And right now we are in Patna's Boring Road area and we are at an ICICI centre. Here also we are seeing at the ATM centres, thankfully there is cash available, but it's only that the new 2000 rupees note which is available and also the 100 rupees note which is available, and also inside the banks the new 500 rupee note is not available. I have with me Vikas. He is a student here and he has also withdrawn some money from the ATM center. Vikas, ये बताइए कितने पैसे निकाले आपने?
1000 रुपये।
1000 निकाले।
जी हाँ।
कौन से डिनोमिनेशन में मिला है आपको?
एक 100 का सब मिला है।
सब 100 का मिला है?
जी, 500 का मिलता तो सुविधा होता रखने में।
क्या 500 का नहीं है?
500 का नहीं है, सिर्फ 2000 है। 2000 का छुट्टा मिलता नहीं मार्केट में, और ये 100 का नोट है।
People are facing this kind of a problem that the new 500 rupee note is not available at most of the ATM centers or at the banks, and that is why this is causing some sort of a problem to the customers, because the new 2000 rupee note is not, if it is available also, the other side the is not taking that money because of the crisis of change, and the new 500 rupee denomination note at most of the places which could have been handy is not available at the banks or at the ATMs. With camera person Nadeem Alam, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for India Today.